The warriors of the monkey god have had their day. Now they too are driven out. Walking wounded bear the marks of the big male's teeth, and for this old hand, such injuries may be his last. In town, the dictator's reign of terror has just begun. He knows he still has problems within the city troupe, the children of the old regime. While they're still around, their mothers won't breed with him. And that is what his struggle is all about. Becoming a father is his destiny, but who knows how long he's got. Nothing must stand in his way. Pumped up with aggression, the big male tackles any female he can lay his paws on. But now he's after the babies too, and the females are even more desperate to stop him. On open ground, there's just a chance they may be able to ward him off. But no mother can afford to turn her back. Another casualty, another problem dealt with. And it's not over yet. The tyrant's bloodlust is far from satisfied. Any sons old enough to leave their mothers now run for their lives. For the dead baby's mother, it's hard to give up hope, even if there's nothing she can do. She's not alone. Many of the sisterhood have lost their babies too, but that doesn't make it easier for her to bear.